Hey, I'm Paul with RackOutfitters.com, here to show you the Rhino-Rack Batwing Awning. Here we have it installed onto this vehicle that has a Pioneer platform roof rack system. However, it also attaches to Rhino-Rack's other bar types as well. So this is a 8-foot awning and it's deployed from the passenger side. It offers 270 degrees of coverage using a polycotton ripstop material, which is weather resistant, mold resistant, very durable and lightweight. It offers 118 square feet of coverage, supported by aluminum powder coated poles, which are corrosion resistant. Various fasteners are stainless steel, so it's designed for long-lasting use. It's very portable when not in use, so currently it's fully deployed. There are unique legs at the bottom of each pole. Included with the system are guy ropes in a bright orange color, so they're easily seen. Also, pegs are included, and the pegs are unique because they can be inserted in a crisscross fashion, which is very effective in stopping them from being pulled out of loose soil. Also available are sand screws and sand bags as well for beach use. So one of the key features of this design is that the entire awning can be stowed even with the guy ropes and stakes and everything. So I'll go ahead and take it from this deployed position into the stowed position so you can see how that works. Over on this far side, included with this rack, is a cleat that mounts, and that allows for an attachment point of this strap, which keeps the awning taut. So there's a quick release for it, and then this can be disconnected. Now, the poles have their telescopic design, and they rotate up and snap into a clip at the top, so they stay with you while you're deploying and stowing the tent. You'll notice as I'm doing this, you can see a zipper along the top edge here. That's to accommodate one of many different accessories. So this awning has a wide range of other accessories to increase the usability. So now with all the poles stowed, we can bring the entire awning over into the stowed position. Here you can see the positions where each part goes, and it actually has a magnetic attachment to make it quick and easy to set those in place. And then we also have Velcro and nylon fasteners. There's a good technique to be used to minimize the bulk in any certain area, which that's a better method of rolling it. But here you'll see we have the hook and loop fastener. There. Okay, another one here. And then a third in the back. Okay, so discussed earlier, we have this case which hangs to the outside. This is the area that has the least amount of bulk from the awning material. And that will house our guy ropes. And also here you can see we have these nylon composite material, which are at the hinge points. It's important that these are made out of a material that can actually break under severe conditions where the awning gets away, versus something that might be out of cast aluminum, which would potentially bend the overall hinge structure. So these are intended to be breakaway at a certain point, and Rhino-Rack actually includes a couple spares. And so those spares can also be housed here for you when you need them. Okay, then next we have the actual outer cover. The outer cover is completely weatherproof PVC material. Extra large heavy duty zipper. Resist snagging. And then we have a 3-part closure at the back. Speaking of the back, if you come around to the back side here, you can see the back side is also extruded aluminum with a durable powder coat finish, and also includes mounting brackets to mount to the various bar types from Rhino-Rack. So these are all the key features of the Rhino-Rack Batwing. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at Rack Outfitters. Thanks for watching.